Hi, Dr. Deepa Shetty here again, and I'm a health coach. Today, I would like to take a topic which was asked and suggested by my friend. He was asking me, tell us about destiny. Now, destiny for me has been, whenever we hear about it or whenever somebody speaks about it, it is almost like everything I might do, but some part of it is destiny. So even if I try very hard, I may not be able to achieve something because that is not in my destiny. That's what I have heard lots of time. Whenever destiny has been, you know, spoken during a communication, it is always in a little negative connotation. Or it's like this, that whatever will happen in my life, let it, whatever is destined will happen. Some people speak like that. So destiny, when I hear about it, comes to me across as something which God has pre-decided for you, and we or the higher power has pre-decided for you, and we cannot do much about it. Even if I do my best, 1% of it can be in the hands of God. So people speak something like that: 99% is my hard work, 1% may be fate. If you ask me per se, in my personal experience, I really feel everything that happens to your life always is in your hand. So it doesn't mean there is no existence of higher power. There is an existence of higher power, and that higher power definitely helps us to achieve what it really wants us to achieve. So when I hear people saying that I could not achieve it because it is not in my destiny, I don't agree to that. Because you we could not achieve it because it is not meant for us. I can still agree to that too. But destiny, because God didn't wanted you, or it is not in your fate and it will not happen, that is something which actually we should look in a different perspective. For me, whenever there has been an obstacles in my life, I have always challenged that I should cross that obstacle and still achieve my goals. But at times, sometimes the goals are not yours. At times, they are not meant for you. So if I try two, three, four times and I see that it is not happening, I always try and find out what is the lesson that experience has for me. What is the lesson that experience is teaching me? What is the failure letting me know that in what way should I try to get the same result? Is it that I am doing the same thing again and again and expecting a different result? So I really try to look inward to understand why am I not able to get what I want in my life. So if I find that this is not the right time, I let it go. If I find that one more trial in a different way, in a different path, or in a different manner, I mean, I may be trying in one way, but maybe somebody else. I discuss it with my friends, I discuss it with my family, I discuss it with a lot of people. And when I see that, like one example I can give is when my patients are not curing, suppose, in spite of doing my best and giving the right drugs to them, right medicines to them, then I really try to seek guidance from my seniors, from various books. So there are a lot of teachers out there in the form of books. Also, you have guidance out there. So I try to seek and understand the same person who is sitting in front of me, and I thought I understood in a different angle, and then I come across something which can help them. Sometime their journey is to really go through some kind of pain to really learn their lessons in life. So I can just be a guidance at times, and I may not be able to completely help them. That also I understand. So I don't put it on destiny. I always try to seek an answer inward to understand what is this experience teaching me, what is that I can do for others in their journey, what is that I can do in the form of action which can make me as well as the person in front of me to get what they are meant to be. What is that their being is telling them, and where are they getting obstructed in understanding that. So for me, always our being has been something which is in congruence with the universal energy. Everything in the nature tells me that this is how the soul out there in the nature, or the energy in the nature tells me that this energy is inside me also, and I'm not in alignment at times with the same energy. So for me, it has always been getting in alignment with self and with the environment, with the higher power out there. And that has always helped me to really see things clearly without any filters, without coloring any of the glasses which are making me see something out there as a fact, without putting any of my past experiences, any of the experiences I have heard from somebody, and any of others experience to color my experience. When I see it like that, I really understand sometimes some things are not meant for me, sometimes some things are meant to be let gone, sometimes some experiences are for you, and sometimes it is not about the destination, or it is not about where you want to reach. It is about the process and the journey that happened when you reach someplace. You may not reach the destination, you may not get what you want, but the process of it, the journey which I took in the process, really made me a person which which I wanted to be, or rather made me a person which was different from what I was when I started this journey. So for me, it has always been the journey, the process, and not the end in itself. Because the end, if you get attached to the outcome or anything that you want to achieve, you will never be able to enjoy the process and the journey. We should be really try to be in the present, in this moment, and try to understand this process which is happening, the experience which you are gaining with every day and every moment is worth the effort that you're taking to reach wherever you want to reach. So destiny per se for me is a blessing of a higher energy to align to its higher force, or to the align to its higher energy. So, destiny is there. If you really want to align yourself and you really want to get that answer which is making you see that who you are, I think destiny is a beautiful process which can be there. And destiny, I would not tell, I would not want to use it in the form of that I am not able to do anything because my destiny is like that. मेरा नसीब ही खराब है. These kind of languages, I really don't think we should, any of us should use, because this naseeb, or this being of yours, is made by higher power, and that higher power never does anything wrong for you. Everything that happens in your life is always for best. Saying so, see you again. I hope that has helped you all somewhere, and let me know if you all want to hear anything more about this. Do like, subscribe, and comment. See you all again. Stay tuned. Thank you.